This is a busy time of year, but that does not mean you don't have time to make Christmas crafts with your kids. Today, we at Needle Pointers would like to show you how to create a super quick, easy bead garland Christmas ornament. This is a great family craft to do with kids. Kids of all ages, even toddlers, can make this do-it-yourself Christmas ornament for the tree. To make the bead garland Christmas ornament, you will need bead garland, a clear plastic ornament, a bow, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Begin by cutting the bead garland into sections. You're doing this because it'll be easier for children to fill the plastic ornament if they're in smaller sections. Remove the silver cap from the ornament and begin inserting the beads. This is a great way or a great activity for children to help develop their fine motor skills and promote eye and hand coordination. Continue filling the ornament. As you can see, I had gold bead garland, but you can use any color you want. And also, if you want, you could go to the dollar store and actually use bead jewelry. So after it's completely filled, then place the cap back on the ornament. The last thing, hot glue a ribbon to the side of the cap. And just hold it on there for a few seconds. The bead garland Christmas ornament is finished. How proud your child will be to hang their handmade ornament on the tree or give it as a gift to someone. I hope you enjoyed this video and decide to make some Christmas ornaments. Please like, share, and comment. We post new videos regularly, so subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. To follow us, just click the iCard or the link in the description section. Also, visit our website, Needle Pointers, for more free holiday crafts.